Chef Maribel here, your personal chef guide and host for Cocina Maribel. Today we are talking about Mexican chili peppers, one of my favorites. However, there are so many to use, and today we are using guajillo peppers, but the way you process the peppers are very similar no matter what the application. You need to get them hydrated if they're dry into a puree. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's get started.
Our first step is to rinse the chilies on the outside so that we can get rid of any dirt. Second step is to take out the seeds and veins. I cut the chili in half so that I can easily take out the seeds from the middle. Next, I heat a cast iron skillet to char and blister the skins of the chili 1 to 2 minutes. I add boiling water and let the chilies hydrate for about 20 to 30 minutes. Use about a 1/4 cup of the chili broth and add it to your food processor to easily blend the chilies smooth. Once your chili paste is smooth, you do have to pass it through a fine mesh strainer to get out any particles, seeds, anything that might have been left behind, so that you can have a perfectly smooth puree of pepper.
So in just a few steps, you're able to accomplish a beautiful puree, a very integral component to Mexican cooking. Now, this is just one of the steps that you need to know for your own Mexican cooking repertoire at home. And if you'd like to know more, the information below to sign up for my Mexican cooking course in just 1 month. Leave a comment below of what chilies you do love to cook with. I'd love to hear from you. See you next week with Mondays with Maribel.